This video will demonstrate how to add rent reviews onto Arthur. You first need to go to Tenancies and select the section Rent Reviews. You then press the button in the top right that says Add Rent Review. You first pick the tenancy that it's related to. You can use a description for the actual rent review itself. Pick a review date and choose what type of review you would like to carry out. You can assign it to a property manager if you have multiple members of your team. You can then save it. To complete the rent review, you simply press the button that says Complete Rent Review. You can fill in the details of whether the rent has changed, the new rent amount, a new rent frequency, and if you need to set a further rent review date for the future. Following this, you can complete the rent review.